We are back again, this time around with how do I book a service as a customer on Loggy Connect. Okay, similar to a provider, if you don't have an account, create an account, and on a tenant, choose a customer, enter your name, email, password, and the referral code for someone who referred you to us. Amazing. You will get more in a promotional percentage discounts if you use referral codes. The good thing is if you register as a provider, you have a view of the customer functionalities as well. Create an account, and then you'll receive an email prompting you to verify your email address. And when you verify your email address, that's when you'll be able to come here and log in. This is me logging in. Because I created an account. I have landed here. The location there is just taking the location in which I am at. If I move to a coffee shop, etc., it's going to take that location. I am looking for services. There's a lot of services here. If there's no services, please recommend service provider that you know to register your services in this. We'll add the services as well. And if you're looking for a service and let's say cleaning and you realize there's no one there, it's because within the proximity that you are at, there might not be anyone who has registered for that particular service. So don't be alarmed. But just encourage those who you know to register their services so that you can book them easily. For me today, I am looking for a photography. I found one service provider as a photographer. It's Kahisa Mahato. He is something tall, well known as something tall. He put his price there per session. He is far away from me because I'm away now, but I'm booking him for where I'm going to be, So I want him for the 26th of July because I have some sort of a ceremony on that day as an example, or I need to do a photo shoot on that day in a set location because he charges 1,650 per session. I'm going to book one session and choose the location in which I want to book him. The good thing is if you press on this drop down there, you can go to social media accounts of Kagiso and see his portfolio or the profile. View his work. If you're impressed, you can, continue booking. If you're not, search for the next photographer in. But because I know him and I know his work, he's done photography for me before, though he did not put in his social media account to show the catalog of his work. I'm just gonna continue booking him for that reason. But I encourage all the service providers to link their catalog of work, and then I'll be next. And there we go. The service summary is here. There's a service fee that I think is 1% that is being charged. It is for your convenience, my sweetheart. And then I'll confirm. Then it'll take me to a payment also, you see? And then depending on what bank you're banking with, you have to just go and bank with FNB, of course. Then you enter your username and bank. And then you proceed to making a payment as per your service. I'm not going to make a payment yet because I can't. I'm recording the screen. I'll make it offline. Then when you've made a payment, what happened is it will take you back to the merchant. Because I haven't made the payment here, it's saying it is pending. It will show in his profile, in his records, that it's pending. I haven't made a payment, and I can actually open a chat and chat to him as a service provider, or I can cancel the order with a message where I'm canceling the order if I made a mistake, etc. And this is the order number basically. So because I haven't made a payment, but then the good thing is, as a customer, this will be all the bookings that I've made, the ones that I've ordered, the ones that are pending for my payment to make, you know, and the ones that I've already paid, and you know, maybe the service have been delivered. So I can also manage all my bookings there as a customer. And then you'll get a notification as well that the service provider will get a notification that there is been an order that has been placed by me, and all that. My profile is the service provider profile, so that's why I have lots of admin rights. So they'll have a notification there, all the red and all of them. Okay, and you know, you can go at your photo there as well, so that you verify your account as a customer. But that's basically how you make the bookings. See how easy it is?